Hey everyone, I am Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If your car seats are covered in crumbs, your keyboard is full of dust, pet hair is everywhere, or you need a quick way to clean tight spaces without dragging out a big vacuum, then this is going to be your new favorite tool. Today we are reviewing the HOTO BlowVac Handheld Vacuum Cordless. This powerful little device is a vacuum and high-speed air blower in one compact cordless package. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this gadget makes quick cleanups feel effortless. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let us break down the features of the HOTO BlowVac Handheld Vacuum Cordless. It is lightweight and easy to hold with one hand for longer use without getting tired. It delivers strong suction that picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, small debris, and even cereal from car seats and floors. The high-speed air blower function blasts away dust from keyboards, car vents, grills, and hard-to-reach spots. You get multiple attachments, including a crevice tool for narrow areas, a brush nozzle for delicate surfaces, and a wide nozzle for bigger spaces. The battery gives solid runtime for several cleaning jobs, and it charges fast with USB-C. It has a reusable washable filter that traps fine dust and is easy to clean. The whole unit is compact and comes with a storage bag so you can keep it in the car, drawer, or bag. Setup is instant. Charge it, attach the right tool, and start cleaning or blowing. Now, pros and cons, to keep it real. The pros are strong. The dual vacuum and blower functions replace two tools and save space. Suction is impressive for a handheld and handles pet hair and crumbs well. The blower is powerful for dust removal from electronics and vents. It is completely cordless and portable so you can use it anywhere. Battery life is good for its size. Attachments make it versatile for car, home, office, or travel. The filter is washable, so no ongoing costs. It is comfortable to hold and easy to empty. Users love how quickly it cleans car interiors, keyboards, and tight corners. On the con side, the dustbin is small, so you empty it often for larger jobs. Suction is strong for a handheld, but not as powerful as a full-size vacuum. The blower is great for light dust, but not heavy duty. Battery lasts well, but very frequent use means more charging. These are normal for compact devices, and the pros win big for quick everyday cleanups. My recommendation? Yes, get the HOTO BlowVac Handheld Vacuum Cordless if you want a portable, powerful tool for fast cleaning in your car, home, office, or on the go. It is perfect for pet owners, parents, desk workers, or anyone who wants convenient cleaning without big equipment. If these honest gadget reviews are helping you find useful tools, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs easier cleaning, or subscribe for more. See you next time.